Most men try to win a woman with gifts, compliments, or charm, and most fail. Why? Because they are playing the game everyone else is playing. Machiavelli saw something deeper, something most men will never understand. The goal isn't to be liked. It's to be unforgettable, not by giving her what she wants, but by controlling how she feels when you are gone. In this video, you'll learn 9 psychological hacks inspired by Machiavelli, triggers that create obsession, tension, and desire without begging, flattery, or chasing. Most men misunderstand attraction. They think, if I show more love, she'll value me. If I chase, she'll pay attention. Wrong. That only makes you predictable, forgettable, replaceable. Machiavelli wrote, "It is much safer to be feared than loved." At first, it sounds cruel, but think carefully, not the fear of harm, but the fear of losing you. Love can feel soft, comforting, easy to take for granted. Fear of loss. That creates attention, curiosity, and obsession. The average man gives without challenge. Machiavelli teaches the opposite. Give sparingly, withdraw strategically, and let absence create desire. The real secret isn't cruelty. It's boundaries. A man with presence doesn't argue, explain, or justify. He shows his worth through silence, calm, and absence. Example, you set a rule in your life. She crosses it. You walk away. No yelling, no guilt. She feels the void. That absence hits harder than any argument. Most men chase attention. Machiavelli teaches control through absence. Presence creates value. Absence creates obsession. Machiavelli said, "It is not necessary to be good. It is necessary to appear good." Attraction doesn't start with facts. It starts with perception. How you walk, how you speak, how you react under pressure. Women don't analyze your logic. They feel your energy. Stand like a man who is certain, even when unsure. Speak like a man who commands fire, even when calm. This is psychological gravity. Every woman will test you. She shifts tone, goes cold, then warm. Most men react. Machiavelli teaches, be both the lion and the fox. Lion equals strength, boundaries, stillness. Fox equals intelligence, calm, calculation. If you are only a lion, she provokes you. You explode, you lose. If you are only a fox, clever but weak, she charms but won't respect your spine. Fusion of both equals unpredictable tension. She cannot predict you. That tension creates obsession. Control doesn't come from force. It comes from psychological tension. If she believes she is in control, she is safe, grounded, predictable. Your goal? Introduce subtle cracks in certainty. A single line, a calm observation, a small, unexpected challenge. Now her mind spins. Did he mean that? Am I wrong? Do I really believe this? She loses narrative control. You subtly take it. Machiavelli wrote, "Injuries must be inflicted all at once, but benefits should be given little by little." The principle applies emotionally. Punish once, coldly, when a boundary is crossed. Reward slowly, sparingly, when she shows loyalty. Think of it like a casino. The unpredictability keeps her nervous system engaged. Not fear, not pain, but attention and emotional investment. The Machiavellian man watches behavior, not beauty. How does she speak when challenged? How does she act when controlled? How does her tone shift around different men? Observation plus silence equals psychological dominance. Drop a single line at the right moment, precise, calm. She will replay it endlessly. Not flattery, not charm. Truth she can't ignore. Being always available is predictable, forgettable. Disappear strategically. Let her mind fill the void. She'll think, what did I do? Where is he? Was he even real? Absence plus selective presence equals obsession and fascination. Women rarely remember all men they meet. They remember the one who changed their world, perspective, or emotions. Don't chase. Don't over-explain. Don't beg. Be the chapter she can't rewrite. Leave a mark on her emotional memory. She will never forget it. Control begins with presence, silence, tension, and absence. Give sparingly. Withdraw strategically. Observe meticulously. This isn't manipulation. It's structure. It's gravity. It's the Machiavellian approach to influence without chasing approval. She may forget your words, gifts, or attention. She will never forget how you made her feel, the gap you created, and the mind you occupied. If this message hits, comment control below. One word. Subscribe now to master the art of influence, attraction, and psychological power, without noise, without chasing, without compromise.